PhotoStand is an adaptation of the NewsStand system to a collection of news photos which enables them to be accessed by location via a map query interface. The photos come from a collection of 8,000 news source RSS feeds that, as we speak, produces news articles that are being clustered by topic using TF-IDF. As the articles are being ingested, their surrounding text is examined for the presence of images. These images could be either news photos or ads. The images are examined more closely to determine if there is some text around them, i.e. a caption candidate, and this text is checked to see if it falls in the same cluster as the text of the article, in which case the image is deemed a news photo and associated with the cluster, also termed a topic. In addition, the locations mentioned in the article are identified and associated with the photo as well as the article. Now, let us look at an example. In particular, let us zoom to Damascus in Syria, where tapping on a photo in its vicinity yields an enlarged photo along with the name of the location and text corresponding to a partial caption. Tapping on the rightward pointing arrow yields all of the photos associated with any of the articles that mention Damascus. The photos are presented using a grid. Some are duplicates while others are near duplicates. These duplicates are found by tapping the Mark Dupes button and are grayed on the grid. The duplicates are removed by tapping the unique button, which we do now. We now turn to the grid of all photos by tapping the All Images button. Tapping on a photo enlarges it as well as displays its caption. The photos can be stepped through one by swiping them. The photos can be further enlarged by tapping on the magnifying glass icon in the lower right corner of the display screen, and again they can be stepped through by swiping them. Tapping the photo once more yields the original article, which can now be read. Tapping the image button in the upper left corner of the display screen returns control to the individual photo. At this point, tapping the All Images button returns control to the original grid of photos. Note that the individual photos can also be viewed by topic or cluster. Tapping the Topics button will show a grid of individual topics where there's one representative photo per topic. Tapping on a photo enlarges it, at which point there is the option of proceeding to representative photos of other topics by swiping the photo. At this point, a return can be made to the original grid of photos by tapping the 3x3 grid at the upper right corner of the display screen, which we don't do now. Alternatively, all of the photos in a particular topic can be viewed by tapping the All in Topic button, at which time a grid of all the photos in the topic is produced. At this time, there's also the ability to enlarge the photos by tapping on them, to mark the duplicates, as well as to remove them. Now you may also return to the grid of all photos by tapping the All Images button, or just return to all of the photos by tapping the Topics button. As can be seen, PhotoStand is a unique way to access the news photos by location, where the location has been identified through the accompanying text without any human intervention or knowledge of GPS coordinates through the operation of the camera used to take them.